Hey there, future certified pros. Are you preparing for the CPC exam or feeling totally overwhelmed with ProctorU? Don't stress. We've got your back. At Proctor Tutors, we specialize in helping students just like you conquer proctored exams with confidence. From exam registration tech support and ProctorU setup, all the way to practice questions and last-minute tips, we're your go-to team for all things proctoring. Whether it's your first attempt or you're trying again, we'll guide you through every step to make sure you're cool, calm, and ready to pass with flying colors. So why go it alone when help is just a click away? Contact us on WhatsApp or visit us online. And hey, if this video helped you or someone you know, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new tips and exam hacks. Drop your questions in the comments. We answer every one of them. Let's ace that CPC exam together.